Hello, friends. This week we're doing something a little different for the trade of the week. We're going to reference my friend Brian Shannon, who just released a new book, Maximizing Your Trading Gains with Anchored VWAP, AVWAP. What that means is value weighted average price can be calculated from an anchor point, many times a high or a low 52-week. But in this case, as I just learned in the book, we're going to use a setup that is using year to date. So everybody who purchased a stock on January 3rd is now long, and they want to know where they are in relation to the average price. So what we do is we'll use the Trade Ideas tool here, pop over and grab that anchor. It's giving credit to Alpha Trends and the anchor. And we're going to look for January 3rd. There it is right there. We click and drop the anchor on January 3rd. Okay, now we can see that not only is ZYME holding a nice 20-day simple moving average, which I often use, but now it's above the year-to-date anchored VWAP, which means everybody is now still feeling comfortable because they're above that level. As long as the price remains above that anchored VWAP from year to date, it's a safe entry. So we're going to lean on that entry and call this a trade of the week. 960 roughly takes out those two candles right there. So that'll be our entry. ZYME, leaning on the anchored VWAP from January 3rd and the 20-day simple moving average. The risk management on this will be to simply not let the trade close back below this blue line, which is rising and is the 20-day SMA. So there's a good trading plan using the anchored VWAP. Again, great book. I've already read it, and my buddy Brian has done a wonderful job. Good luck out there.